Have you ever visited this place before? Yes, I had visited Quito Cable Car before. What activities had you done? Three. I rode the cable car to this thought of Cruz Loma. Enjoy the panoramic views of Quito, walked around the viewpoints, and took many photos. I also spent time enjoying the fresh air and the natural surroundings. What did you like, enjoy, love, dislike, or hate about? Like did Amazon view the first hide and taking photo from the thought? Have you tried any special food or services there? Yes, I tried snacks and drink at this viewpoint. How was your evening experience and how did this experience make you feel? It was a great experience. It made me feel relaxed and excited to see Quito from above. Would you recommend it to other traveling? We or we not? Yes, I would recommend it because it offers beautiful views and a unique experience. Do you plan to visit the place again? What new experience would you like to have if you come back? Yes, I would like to visit again and hike more trails and take more photos.